Miss Eva, La Doña Eva, made this right here, man. She fixed it, put the wire in there, through the pulley. Pretty cool, huh? And Eva used to come up with ideas at her job, and they would give her stock in the company for the ideas. She's a Mexican lady, real smart. And I got a little project of my own here, Motorride Madness. Guitar confusion, as Mrs. Weems used to say in Plant City, Tomlin Junior High. Old gutter rat. This has got to come off on the edge right here. So one, you can cut it with a composite blade. Two, grind this edge off right here. And you cut you some strips in it, man. Not too big though. I feel like the straps that Honey Bunch Chickens or Robbie put on his bike are just a hair too big, man. I might be wrong about this because I'm not no expert. He's the man on this stuff. Let me tell you, he's the one that has inspired me. He's the reason for it, you know, so I'm real happy with this dude. I thought I could never do it. But I'm getting close to it. The sprockets are on the way, man, Tuesday or Wednesday. This right here, it can be cut a little bit there, you know, a 1 or 1 1/4. I don't want to make them too big, man. Put my straps on here to hold this, cut this off. Yeah.